and just squeeze the trigger. That'll tighten it up. Grips it right here and it'll pull it back. And watch this part right here. Hey guys, the good folks over at DeFonso sent me over this cable tie gun set. We're going to get it opened up, see what we get, and then we're going to try it out, so stick around. Little instructions here, kind of show you how to use it. Fairly simple, it looks like. There's 50 stainless steel cable ties. Oh, 50 more. So you get 100. They're 11.8 inches long. The gun itself, pretty heavy duty feeling, guys. Looks pretty straightforward on how to use it. Put one in there, see what happens. It's a lot like a zip tie, really. You're just gonna loop that around whatever you need to. Push it through, there's a little slot there. You can just push that through. And it's gripping it already right there. So, oh my goodness. You're not gonna pull it back out. So we'll use this one for an example here. On this end, okay, if we got that around something, then we would just take it and push this up in the little slot there. It's going to come out right there. Push it up like that, and then just squeeze that. See it getting smaller there? It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Anyway, when you get it tight, then you're just going to take this, just raise it and it'll cut it off. Little deal in there, turns, and cuts that off. There you go. Let's take it outside and do some real use with it. Might get a little better idea. Let me grab another one of these and we'll head outside. There's one place I could use it right here. Just want to take this, put it through there like so. Make sure you got it in the right place. Slide it in. You can pull it on tight, hand tight, you know, whatever. Take your gun here, put it in there just like so. Pull it up. Get it up tight as you need it. And then take this arm here, just bend it over, and voila, there you go. It's not going to come off there now. And that's stainless steel, so it won't rust. I don't know if stainless steel will ever rust. I've never seen it rust. May get tarnished, but rusting where it's going to break in half, that ain't going to happen. If you put a plastic zip tie on there, after probably a couple of summers, it's going to just be hardened and it'll just break right off. Okay, I went and looked at the video. My big old arm was in the way, so let's try this again. Just put this in your fence or wherever, whatever you're needing to do. Slide that through like that. Take a cable, slide it through like this. Slide it in there like that. Get it up close and just squeeze the trigger. That'll tighten it up. It grips it right here and it'll pull it back. Bend that back around so you can see it. And watch this part right here. That's how it cuts it. Well, there you go. You saw how it works. You see what it does. Multiple purposes. You could use it anywhere you could put a zip tie. You can put one of these, and I guarantee you these are going to last a lot longer than a plastic zip tie. You may want to check it out. Definitely a thumbs up. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.